I'm Tom Perry, the Marketing Director for Response Data Communications. We're here today at Let's Race. We've brought a key group of customers and prospects of ours along for our speed and security event.
Welcome along to Let's Race, everybody. Got some great content today in advance of the racing. We're going to have some great fun later.
I'm an engineer, and my team and I are basically tasked by client organisations to break stuff. My view on the world is based on 23 years of breaking into systems, people and buildings. We try and replicate criminal attacks for our client base on the basis that if we can get in and identify the most obvious vulnerabilities, hopefully they can be mitigated before the bad guys do.
What Silver Peak has done is essentially take a network layer approach to optimization. Google's one of our largest global customers. They use pretty much any application you can think of, and they need to build their strategies around being able to optimize whatever they may do now and down the track. And that's why they keep investing in Silver Peak, because we're the only vendor that could guarantee optimization of all of their applications.
Giving guest wireless access is nothing but BYOD. Bring your own device, connect to my guest wireless network. I give you a connection to the internet. You've taken time and effort to increase the speed, increase the bandwidth, but still it's the network guys who have to prove that it's not the network. We do the heavy lifting, but again, we don't want you to spend a lot of time on our device because we are not an analyzer. We just go and send the traffic or Ethernet frames out to the analyzers.
Our main product line is actually WAN encryption. So it's very, very high-speed encryption, which is based on layer 2 technology. Is anyone aware of how easy it is to tap into fibre cables? It is possible, it's fairly easy, and this is the reason why you need our type of solution.
Now what we've got here, this is a source video. So we are sending a multicast stream from here, and this is a legitimate recipient of that video stream. Now the guy in the middle is a guy who is attached onto our fibre optic link here. When I drop this clamp, is that this guy is then going to pick up information that he should not be allowed to see. If you've got high value data, you might want to consider encryption because it is a viable attack, and there are potentially people out there who would benefit greatly from being able to get access to the kind of data that's going across your fibres.
A firewall is one of the most pervasive products in your network. Generally, a firewall is a security boundary between whatever you want to protect and whatever you want to protect against. 53% of unknown malware is not detected by the top 6 AV products. 46% of our data is no longer in our data center. It's in a cloud-based solution. We're also very good at securing the data center, high speed, high throughput, user identification, and also virtualization. So next generation firewalling is about changing the architecture software, but also changing the architecture from a hardware perspective.
My name's Louise Goodman, I'm a motorsport presenter for ITV, and I've come along to Let's Race today to meet with RDC and all of their guests and really have a go in the fantastic simulators here.